फातोड्डा पुलिशेन चोरी प्रकरणात फरार आशिल्ल्या दोगा आरोप्यांक ताब्यांत घेतल्यात. पुलिशेन जाळ रचून आरोप्यांक ताब्यांत घेतल्या म्हण माहिती फातोड्डा पीआय नवलेश देसाई हांणी दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
On 4th August 2018, I have registered a complaint of Margaon police station about the escape of accused Paul Chima from the lawful custody of Margaon police, who was admitted while in custody of Special Hospital Margaon. I have registered the complaint against for the running away from police custody and conducted the investigation. The said Paul Chima is involved in several house breaking theft cases reported in various police stations in Goa, and he is the wanted criminal, and we have also issued a show cause and lookout notice to various police stations in Goa to trace the said Paul Chima. Accordingly, since registration of the FIR, we have formed a team of police constable and head constable. The police constable by name Kishore Bandekar and policeman by name Rohan Naik and other staff. We have formed a team led by me of 10 staff and started a search operation for Chima since registration of FIR. Accordingly, yesterday we received information that the accused Paul Chima has used several SIM cards, and lastly he has used one Jio SIM card. And we have located the present location of the Jio owner of the said Jio mobile number, and we found that said Jio mobile number is in one of the company in Verna Industrial Estate. Accordingly, we, with the help of HR manager of the washing machine company in Verna Industrial Estate, interrogated all the workers. And during interrogation, we came to know that the mobile number is owned by one of the worker. Accordingly, we located that worker. After locating that worker, we interrogated him thoroughly, and during interrogation, said worker by name Ratul Mitai disclosed that the Paul Chima and his friend Zakir Hussain is residing in his rented room on the hillock at opposite Kesarwal BPCL petrol pump on the hillock, and we accordingly on the 5th floor of the last building we arrested Paul Chima and Zakir Ali from the 5th floor, and during interrogation both Zakir Ali and Paul Chima disclosed that they were during daytime they were going in the jungles, and during night time they are coming on the top floor of the building and residing in the said building. And said Zakir was also arrested for helping said Paul Chima for hiding and for providing food and shelter. And both of them in a midnight search operation. First we have searched places in Billa, thereafter IFB company in Verna Industrial Estate, and thereafter the Kesarwal hillock on the highway, the tallest building on the hillock, and we have arrested both of them